If you're seeing a SketchUp extension error, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common reasons these errors happen and show you the quickest ways to fix them. These issues usually come from outdated plugins, version incompatibility, or even file corruption, and the good news is that most of them can be solved in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's talk about why SketchUp extension errors happen in the first place. In many cases, an extension was built for an older version of SketchUp and no longer works properly with the version you're using now. Other times, the extension files may be damaged, incomplete, or conflicting with another plugin. So the best way to fix the problem is to work through each solution one by one instead of guessing. The first thing you should do is check for updates. Open the extension warehouse inside SketchUp and look for any available updates for the extension that's causing the issue. Developers often release fixes when SketchUp updates change something behind the scenes, so keeping your extensions current can solve the error instantly. If you see an update, install it and restart SketchUp before testing again. Next, make sure the extension is actually compatible with your version of SketchUp. This is a very common issue, especially after upgrading to a newer release. Some older extensions simply haven't been updated yet, and they may crash, fail to load, or throw an error message every time you launch SketchUp. Check the extension details carefully and confirm that it supports your specific version. If it doesn't, you may need to look for an alternative version or a replacement plugin. If the extension still isn't working, the next step is to remove and reinstall it. On Windows, you can usually find your SketchUp plugins folder here, c:\users\username /appdata/roaming/SketchUp/version/plugins. Open that folder and look for any recently added plugins that may be causing the crash or error. If you recently installed a new extension and the problem started right after that, try removing it first. You can move the plugin files out of the folder, restart SketchUp, and see if the error disappears. If SketchUp works normally after that, you've likely found the problem extension. If needed, reinstall the extension cleanly from a trusted source or from the extension warehouse. A fresh install can fix broken files, missing components, or incomplete downloads. Just be careful to only install extensions you trust and always verify they're meant for your version of SketchUp. Another very helpful fix is to run a repair on the SketchUp installation itself. Sometimes the extension error isn't caused by the plugin alone, but by a damaged SketchUp installation or missing program files. To do this, run the SketchUp installer again and choose the repair option if it appears. Let the installer check the program and restore anything that may be corrupted. Once that's done, restart your computer and open SketchUp again to test the extension. If the extension warehouse connection is failing, there's one more simple step that often helps: sign out and sign back in. Sometimes your account session gets stuck or the connection to the warehouse stops working properly. Sign out of your SketchUp account, close the program, reopen it, and sign back in again. Then try accessing the extension warehouse or downloading the extension one more time. In many cases, that refresh alone is enough to fix the connection issue. As a quick recap, start by checking for updates, confirm compatibility, remove and reinstall problematic plugins, repair SketchUp if necessary, and sign out and back in if the warehouse connection is broken. Working through the fixes in that order will solve most SketchUp extension errors without unnecessary troubleshooting. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with a specific SketchUp error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.